virtual instrumentation, platform independent. So detail about this is available in the textbook I have shared you. I'm just giving you the concept. Platform independent means here the meaning of this is you can execute VI program on any operating system, that is like Unix, Linux, Windows, or some other available operating system. Meaning of platform is operating system. The second advantage of VI is flexible because it involves the use of software. So it is flexible for the user to change the type of uh, instrumentation. Suppose earlier it was for the measurement of temperature, now you can make it for the measurement of pressure, or you can add the feature, you can delete the feature, you can modify the feature. That is nothing but the meaning of flexibility. Low cost, as I already told you, it is generic setup of instrumentation. So the cost of implementation will be over a period of time lesser than the physical instrumentation. Plug-in and network hardware. The meaning of plug-in is it's like the device which are equipped with USB protocol are plug-in type. Exactly in similar way, this type of instrumentation are plugged in. Whenever you want to have the instrumentation, just plug in the sensor to via the data acquisition system to our personal computer and start doing the instrumentation. The meaning of networked hardware is as a computer can be easily connected to, or any digital machine can be easily connected to the network of systems. Hence, the virtual instrumentation based system can be easily connected to any type of network, including internet. So, hope these advantages of VI in brief are clear to everybody. Detail you can have from ebook I have shared. With your permission, I will move to next slide.
Yes, sir, you can.
Thank you. Now, the next slide on your screen is the comparison between traditional instrument or the physical instrumentation with virtual instrumentation. The first point under comparison is about the functionality. The traditional instruments are function specific, whereas the virtual instrument is application oriented system with connectivity to network, peripheral and applications. It is function specific, standalone with limited connectivity. It's a very clear meaning. Function specific means if it is meant for temperature, it remains for temperature. If it meant for pressure, it remains pressure. Whereas here, whichever application you want, you can make a different setup by changing the hardware and its connectivity to sensor. You will get that particular application. That's why it is called as application oriented system with connectivity to network, peripheral and application. And this traditional instrument is called as fixed instrument, that is specific to the intention made in the design, and stand alone. Stand alone means one for one particular application with limited connectivity. Limited connectivity means not necessary to have interfacing connectivity to another instrument or another other device. Next point under the comparison is what is the key point under the traditional instrument? Hardware is the key point, whereas in virtual instrument, software is the key point. It's very clear. Third point under comparison is the cost. The cost of implementation of traditional instrument over a period of time, over long run, is expensive, whereas virtual instrument over long run is low cost, because reusability is the key factor here. Then the next point under comparison is the traditional instrument is closed fixed functionality. This is actually repetition of point number one, defining in another way. Whereas here the loop is open. Loop open means anything can be added, anything can be subtracted. The flexible functionality leveraging of familiar computer technology. The next point is, if suppose a new system is made today, it remains the same for a longer period of time, like typically 5 years to 10 years. So we can call this to be life cycle. The life cycle of traditional instrument is longer. This can be an advantage of traditional instrument because the longer the existence of instrument, the better the returns the better the returns. Okay, the more the earning, right? But with respect to the human ease or the comfortability in the instrumentation, if you see from that perspective, then this is not the advantage. Instead, this is the disadvantage. So virtual instrument technology is very frequent because it all depends upon the latest software. So software life cycle, it's not even 1 to 2 years. It is usually half a year, right? You see, every half year a new version of software is coming, right? That's the reason virtual instrument also call its life cycle to be 1 to 2 years. Minimal, next point in the comparison is economic of sale, right? So the economic of sale of this is minimal, whereas the economic of sale is the maximum. Why? Because the users, okay, more number of sale or the earning is possible with virtual. The last point in the comparison, there can be several ones. So these many are there in the text and then the most of the good sources. So that's why I have listed only 7. But you need to elaborate all the points when this comes as long answer question. High development and maintenance costs. Whereas here the software developers can be easily available and they can do the changes without having much investment. That's why the development and maintenance costs of virtual instruments are lesser.